What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, the like button, turn on the post notifications, follow me on Instagram. Today we are going on a little canyon run in the E92 M3 officially. The other time wasn't really like a crazy canyon, but this time we're gonna go on a canyon run. And I also picked up a brand new GoPro Hero 13 and 13 Black, I think it is. Yeah, so we're gonna test this out. I got the little suction mount for the windshield, and hopefully the footage is good. It did rain earlier this morning, which was super random, so I'm not gonna go too crazy on the canyons just because, you know, the tires are cold. I don't know how the conditions of the road are, but yeah, we're gonna set up the GoPro right now, and hopefully, like I said, the footage comes out good. We are gonna be going to a little car meet later, a little park and chill in the night, and then see what else we get into. But I'm super excited to test this out, so I'm just gonna set the camera up right here real quick. And I also brought my drone because I want to get some cool drone footage up on the canyon. So right now I'm trying to figure out where do I want to set this GoPro up. I'm thinking I'm gonna set it up here, and then I think I just press this down. Dude, I haven't used a GoPro in so long, guys. I don't know if I like that angle. Let's try to switch out this angle real quick. I feel like this angle is not good. Like I said, I haven't used a GoPro, guys, in God knows how long, honestly. But I think I might set it here on the corner. I think that might be better. So I put it here. Seems like a good POV angle, I think. I would like to get another one and then put it right here on the cage so we can get this POV. But for now, this will do. Let's go ahead and hit the canyons. All right, guys. Let's test this thing out, yeah? Let's go ahead and hit the canyons. Kind of cold outside, so I got my hoodie on. And we're off. I don't know if it's better to drive with the windows up, or maybe we can crack the other side open. I had the GoPro Hero 7, and I was looking at the footage, I was testing it out and stuff. It looks like shit. So hopefully this is better, and hopefully you guys can hear me well. You know, I don't know if there's a certain setting for the volume for the mic. I'm kind of just using the sound that it comes with. I didn't add no external mics or anything like that. So can never go wrong with the sound of the V8. Like I said, I don't want to go too crazy just because of the conditions of the road. I'm not sure if it rained on this side, but I'm assuming it did. It looks pretty dry to me, but I don't know. I do want to make it up before the sun goes down because I did bring my drone, like I said. So I want to get some cool drone footage for Instagram. So whatever drone footage I throw up here, it's going to be vertical, so it's not going to be landscape. I want to post more on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram. So a lot of, you know, the dimensions on that size are 9:16, so it's the vertical way. As YouTube, it's, you know, landscape way. So sounds beautiful. Woo. Yeah, it did rain over here. You can see the floor is kind of wet a little bit, like I said. So right now we're just cruising it, chilling. 6 gear, little downshift to 5, little downshift to 4. Oh yeah, it definitely rained over here. When it rains, you go on the canyons. I should have chose a different day, but I was so hyped to test out the GoPro. Anyways, we're almost to where I want to be. It's nice and sunny right there. I will possibly detach the GoPro so I can show you guys the views. Views are really nice. finally made it to where I want to be. All right, guys, check it out. This is the view where we're at. Dude, it is so freaking nice. Look at the clouds. That is insane. Nice and peaceful. I've been in here before a bunch of times, but the views are just amazing. I'm gonna bust out the drone right now and get some footage of this because this is super nice. Alright guys, the drone footage, we barely made it guys. The battery was dead. And it was gonna land randomly. So I had to catch it with my finger, and the freaking propeller shit got my finger, bro. That shit is numb right now. It is time to roll out. I came back to the top again, tried to shoot some drone footage. Hopefully the GoPro footage looks good. Floors are still wet. Can't go too crazy. There's also rocks on the floor as well. V8 sounds amazing. Guys, the drone was literally about to die like on top of one of these mountains, bro. I had to literally pull over right here in the middle, somewhere off to the side, and capture it with my hand. And the propeller got my finger, bro. It got this part. But V8 sounds amazing as always. Like I said, floors are still wet, tires are cold. Probably wasn't the best to come up on this day, but let's try to take these turns too hard or crazy because so we gotta be careful. My finger is numb, guys. I can't even really feel it. That propeller got me good. Right here. Wow, you gotta be careful. This was really bad. Woo. And then we gotta go so slow. Oh my. That's bad. And right here as well. Like I said, probably not the best day to come to the canyons, but oh, look at that big sucker just hanging in chilling right there in the middle of the road. And right here. Woo! Oh, oh, oh. Have to be really careful. I think after that it was good. The views are nice though. The mountains, sunset in the back. Looks sick. Wow, that is. You can even feel the car swerve a little. Cybertruck. I feel like I can feel my finger again. Shit was crazy, bro. Guys, it was literally gonna die like on the mountain, so I was literally like going up a little mountain trying to grab it, and then the propeller got my finger. But it's starting to come back, the feel. All right, guys, we spawned to the meet. Got the E92 M3 out. Look who's next to us, the Loss. My boy Ben's Beamer. He literally just picked this up a few days ago. M4 CS, lime rock gray, with the carbon ceramic brakes. This is literally the perfect spec. You wanna know a little fun fact? Before I bought the GTS, I was literally looking at this exact spec. They had it for sale at the dealer. It was a 2020 at BMW of Escondido. It was like down by like San Diego. And I didn't end up taking it. I don't know why I didn't take it. I think they were asking too much. But it was literally lime rock gray with the CC. I don't remember if it had CCBs or not, but it was an M4 CS lime rock gray. And I was supposed to actually get this car before the GTS, but yeah, held off on it. Price was way too much. It was brand new. It was like, I think they were asking like 100 something. But yeah, I didn't end up picking it up, but I really wanted a GTS, and even though I had found literally the lime rock gray M4 CS, I held off because I wanted to see if I could find a GTS, and I ended up finding a GTS. So if it wasn't for that, then I'd probably have the M4 CS lime rock gray, which is a really nice spec. It's got the Alcantara steering wheel. Look at the seats, the door cards, just like the GTS. No center console. It's perfect, bro. It's got the carbon hood with the vent in it. And what's cool about the M4 CS is they come with the LCI icon headlights. M4 GTS comes with the pre-LCI, so it comes with the older headlights. And then here we've got a beautiful Laguna Seca Blue G80 M3. This thing is sick. 2025 or 2026 because it's got the new headlights. It's got the bucket seats as well. Carbon roof, of course. This is a really, really nice spec. It looks so good. And look who pulled up, my boy James. What's up, G? You made it. This is like your what, second, third car meet? Third one since he's owned the car, guys. This thing is freaking sick. It causes so much attention, guys. Look at everybody's tripping out on the car. I mean, it's a crazy, crazy build. All the carbon fiber with the green flakes. It's got the full cage seats, wing. I mean, this thing is just absolutely insane, bro. It is wild. Oh wait, the engine bay does that? I feel like this car belongs somewhere in like Japan. Damn, my boy Brian pulled up. M4 flight. Sheesh. literally almost like a GTS. We got the same lip. That is crazy. Got the HREs on there. He's got actually G82 bucket seats. It's literally one of the cleanest M4 CSs out there for sure. I like how he extended the lip completely, bro. My shit is not even sticking out that much on my GTS. Look at that. The seats, bro. It's got the red interior. He converted it, put the stars in there. It is insane. We got my boy TJ, beautiful 340, champagne quartz wrap with the forged carbon everywhere. Looks so good. M2 comp wheels, GTS taillights, carbon trunk. Looks good. All right, guys, that is it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to hit the subscribe and the like button, turn on the post notifications, follow me on Instagram. See you guys. Peace.